most toxic loadout to mankind. You can use the Lapchus or the Rapid, but I will prefer the Rapid. This is the loadout. This is for the machine pistol. Watch, as it almost has no recoil.
Search and destroy.
The Lapchus or the Rapid is good, the barrel. Basta.
Defend the objective.
Lapchus o yung Rapid ang mga maganda. Odd.
Bomb spotted. Contact with enemy.
Watch.
Enemy down.
No recoil. Look. I am better to prove that it has almost no recoil.
Enemy down. Friendly Shock RC is ready.
For the machine pistol is, look at that. Look, what?
Targets in sight. Target down. Sentry gun ready to deploy.